Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO T1 Pro device, and now I can show you top 3 best themes, in my humble opinion, for this device. So on the third place in my top is, of course, VIVO Launcher. So VIVO Launcher is great, it's minimalistic and it's like a normal Android launcher, but on the third place with the standard VIVO Launcher, I have Pure Launcher. Because here is more standard, so I don't know how to explain it. It's easier, it's lighter, and it's more beautiful because and of course this launcher supports icon packs. For example, you can set up different icon packs and use it with this launcher, and you can't do it with VIVO Launcher. Okay, great. On the second place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So Niagara Launcher is really great and minimalistic launcher if you need to be focused. This launcher was created exactly for you. So here you need to choose your favorite apps, and these apps will be in your home on your home screen, and all your other applications are here in the alphabetical line. So you have no main menu, you have no other menus, you just have home screen with favorite apps and main menu with the other apps, and you can find it easily with alphabetical line. For example, you need to find the Facebook. Facebook is here. YouTube is here. I don't know, files are here. So it's really great and easy to do, and of course you have normal search if you need. So great. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So it's because, of course, if you need to be focused, so best launcher for you it's Niagara Launcher. But if you need to be productive, really productive, and your productivity laying on your smartphone using experience, so you need to use Microsoft Launcher because all your widgets you can set up in the glance panel. All widgets, you don't need to, I don't want to swipe between thousands of home screens to find the certain widget. No, all your widgets are here. Calendars, calls, call-in widgets, messengers widgets, and other widgets are here. Then in the main menu you have alphabetical line to easily search any applications you need. So you have alphabetical line. You have a hidden apps feature, so you can hide app applications. And of course you have wallpapers changing button, so you just need to click on change wallpaper button to change the wallpaper. And the best feature of this launcher is the gestures. So find gestures, and for example, I don't know, double tap on the home screen and I wanna open calculator, for example. Of course you can step it in the way you want, and now I'm tapping twice on my home screen and calculator was opened. And you can set up all gestures: swipe up, swipe down, two fingers swipe up, 2 fingers swipe down, and all of these gestures you can set up. You can these just set up and other gestures too, and that's great. That's it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful for you and you like one of these launchers, so just write about it in comments. Thank you, bye.